Welcome to another Ask Excite. I'm Tim Bushnell with Expert Cytometry, and today's question comes from Stevie, who asks, how best to exclude doublets from my analysis? That's a great question, Stevie. First is to make sure your sample prep is as good as it can be. You've got good single cell suspensions, and you filter the cells before you go to the instrument. Now those doublets that come through because of the way the flow cytometer is running, we're going to exclude those using a pulse geometry method, where we're going to look at two factors, for example, forward scatter height and forward scatter area, and then we're going to use that to help us identify the doublets. Since we know a priori that the height and the area should have a similar relationship, if we see an increase in area without an increase in height, that suggests that we have a doublet. So you'll see the cells on a diagonal and you'll gate on those cells. This first was really discussed in DNA cell cycle analysis and was later discussed in a white paper from BD on the sorting on the Faxaria. So again, we use this pulse geometry method to help us exclude doublets in our data analysis. Thanks for the question. And remember, if you have questions, go to getflowtraining.com for more information. And if you want your question answered here, send it to askexcite@expertcytometry.com. Thanks for another Ask Excite. Until next time, be sure to keep up with your best practices in flow cytometry right here with your friends in Flow, Tim and Team Excite.